Toyota Camry V6. Really beautiful car. It's got graphics on it and everything. And I like the American flag right there. That's sexy. You know they are built in the USA, so just want to let you guys know about Toyota. Anyway, it's got factory converters there, factory converter there, third converter there. Then what we did is took two resonators off right there, you see them? And installed a vibrant in the middle, the longer one. Part number 1791, if you guys want to find it, there'll be a link in the description. There it is, look at them welds, beautiful. Then we took there's a secondary resonator that's usually there. We took it out and replaced it with pipe 2 1/4. And yesterday we did a muffler delete there and there and put some quad tips on it just to complete the look, make it the sporty look, which I think it looks phenomenal. As you guys can see, I don't have the mufflers from yesterday, but there's the two resonators we cut off right there. A huge one and a baby one. Replaced it. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. And we also have a link in the description for merch that if you guys want to support us, you can buy some merch off of that. We're going to expand it, so yeah. See how it's clean? The vibrant gives it that really clean sound.
Hell yeah!
You want to be on camera or no? You guys should see his face, his reaction. He loves it. Yeah, that sounds really nice. Again? 106 out of a Camry, guys. Come on. You gotta admit that sounds really nice. And it is the XSE again? That sounds exotic, bro. That sounds beautiful. That's awesome. Again? Go on and back it out. I like the graphics on the side.
Yeah.
That looks good. You did that, right?
Actually, no.
It comes like that?
It was the previous owner.
Oh, previous owner. Still looks good though.
I love it.
The best part is the American flag though.
Yeah. Well, actually, I had to do American.
Yeah. The stripes on the top. That's nice. 21 Toyota Camry V6. Muffler delete and vibrant in the middle. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Toyota Camry with vibrant in the mid, vibrant bottles, and rear delete with quad tips.